Hi everyone, I'm Miss Francis, your science tutor, and today we're going to continue learning about material exchange, which is how your body delivers and picks up materials around the body. In our last episode, we spoke about how blood transports oxygen and carbon dioxide around the body. Today, we're going to look at how blood transports nutrients and other wastes. Let's get started by taking a look at your digestive system, which is in charge of breaking down food in order to release nutrients that are used by the entire body. In this case, digestive refers to the process of breaking down food for nutrients, and system refers to a group of organs working together to do a job. The digestive system therefore refers to the group of organs that work together to break down food and absorb nutrients. When blood flows through the digestive system, it picks up nutrients and carries them away to the places in the body where they are needed. The digestive system starts at the mouth, where you use your teeth to chew down food into smaller pieces. Saliva, or spit, also helps break down the food, so that it can go down your esophagus into your stomach. Sometimes, food can go down the wrong path and end up in your trachea, which leads to the lungs. This is what causes the sensation of choking. However, there's a little flap of muscle known as the epiglottis, which prevents food from going down into your lungs and stops you from choking. When food reaches your stomach, it begins to get digested by various chemicals. The muscles of the stomach will make sure to churn this around to ensure the chemicals in the food get very well mixed and the food turns into a kind of slush that can pass into the small intestine. When food reaches the small intestine, even more chemicals are added to it. This includes chemicals from the small intestine itself, as well as from the pancreas, such as pancreatic juice, and the liver, which is a chemical called bile. The small intestine is also the place where most of the nutrients from food are absorbed. For this reason, the small intestine has small finger-like projections called villi, which help absorb the most nutrients from food. After going through the small intestine, food passes into the large intestine. At this point, most of the nutrients in food have already been absorbed by the small intestine. In the large intestine, the main thing that happens is that food gets turned into feces, or poop. Surprisingly, poop still has some useful nutrients inside of it, such as water, vitamins, and minerals. The role of the large intestine is to absorb these remaining nutrients. Another thing to know about the large intestine is that it not only forms part of the digestive system, it is also part of the excretory system. The role of the excretory system is to get rid of wastes, such as feces, or poop, and urine, or pee. We just mentioned urine, or pee. Another important organ in the excretory system are the kidneys. The kidneys are where urine comes from. The kidneys also have a really important role in removing waste from the blood. Basically, your kidneys filter your blood to clean it. The kidneys remove a bunch of toxic materials from the blood, but the most common waste materials are urea and uric acid. Your body makes these all the time, and they need to be removed in order to not poison the body. The kidneys gather the toxic wastes that they have removed from the blood into a pool of liquid called urine, or pee. Your pee is stored in the urinary bladder. When the urinary bladder gets too full, it'll empty out by peeing. Your blood needs constant cleaning because aside from delivering nutrients to where they are needed around the body, The blood also picks up a lot of toxic waste as it travels around the body. You can therefore think of the blood as both a trash truck that removes waste from the blood and a delivery truck, which delivers useful substances to where they are needed. To summarize, your digestive system breaks down food and absorbs its nutrients. By the time your digestive system is done with the food becomes feces or poop. Your blood travels around the digestive system in order to pick up the nutrients and deliver them to where they are needed. The blood also picks up a lot of toxic wastes as it travels around the body and will deliver them to the kidneys, where these wastes get turned into urine, which then leaves your body when you pee. That's it for today. Thank you for being here with me. I hope this makes your school science learning a bit easier and more fun. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It will help us reach other students just like you so that we can all learn together. And remember, everyone learns differently. For some it's fast, for others slow. But what's for sure is learning makes us grow. So until next time, keep on learning.